Hi and welcome to a new video. OpenAI's most advanced technology, GPT-4, is exclusively available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers. However, there is a workaround that allows you to use this technology without subscribing. In this video, I will show you how you can use GPT-4 on your iPhone or Android device for free. Let's go. Since Microsoft's Bing integrated ChatGPT API into its search engine and browser, it has become the closest alternative to getting GPT-4 on your device without having to pay for ChatGPT Plus. To get started, open the App Store. Search for Bing and install the app. If you're on Android, make sure you install it from the Google Play Store. After installation, launch the app and click Ask Me Anything Chat Now from the pop-up notification below the dashboard. Next, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. If you already have an existing account, enter your email and password to log in. Otherwise, click Create One to register for a new account. On the sign-up form, create a strong password for your account. Click Next and be sure to type in your first and last names accordingly. After that, set your country of origin and enter your date of birth. Finally, take the visual test to confirm that you are not a robot and complete the registration process. Once you've created or signed into your account, you're ready to start chatting with Bing AI. To get started, just tap the search bar above and click Let's Chat. When the chat interface loads, start typing your questions or requests to receive AI-generated responses. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.